I've been trading the markets now for over 9 years, and there's been a lot of struggles throughout this journey. So in this video, what I want to do is give you the 5 signs to help you identify whether or not you're actually in the process of becoming a profitable trader. Most traders are looking for signs in the wrong places. They're checking their account balance, they're checking how many winning trades they had on that specific day, and then they're going on social media and comparing themselves to other traders that they have no idea who they are or whether or not those traders are actually successful and know what they're doing. And they completely miss the real signals, the ones that actually show up long before money hits their account. If you're already experiencing some of these traits, then you may be closer to profitability than what you already think. And if you're not seeing them yet, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and where to focus your attention. Every sign that I'm about to share with you is critical for long-term success, but the last one is the most important. So I definitely encourage that you watch this video all the way through the end, because becoming profitable isn't about one big breakthrough. It's about a series of internal shifts that happen within you that over time are going to turn you into a very profitable trader. Today, I'm going to show you what those shifts are that have helped me become successful. Let's jump into the video. The first sign that you're becoming a profitable trader is this: you care more about your execution than you do your profits and losses. When this starts to happen, you'll notice that you'll emotionally start to detach yourself from the profits and losses and care more about the process. Instead of measuring your day by whether or not it was a red day or a green day, instead, you'll be focusing on one thing. Did I follow my plan? Did you execute your system correctly? Did you manage risk properly? Did you follow your rules? That's how professional traders judge performance, not by the P&L at the end of the day. You'll start to notice something very, very interesting. You're gonna have red days where you traded well, you managed your risk, you followed your plan to the T, but you lost money. But yet you still felt good about what you did because you followed your plan. And on the flip side, you're gonna have green days where you made money but broke rules, ignored criteria, or deviated from your system completely. And those days are going to feel terrible. Now, this first shift is huge because once you emotionally detach your self-worth to how well your P&L was that day, it's going to dramatically change the way you look at charts and how consistent you're going to be in the market, because now you're following a plan and you no longer are concerned about your P&L on a day-to-day basis. The second sign is that trading becomes seemingly boring. And yes, you've probably heard that before, but here's what this actually means. Boring trading means proper risk management and proper sizing into trades. If trading feels emotional, exciting one minute and then terrifying the next, you're oversized. If you're risking $100 on this trade and then the very next trade you're risking $500 and then the following trade you're risking $1,000, your feelings are going to be all over the board, because the winner, though it may feel good, if the very next trade is a loser with more risk, how are you going to feel in that moment? You're going to feel deflated and defeated. After a few winners, when you start increasing your risk, your feelings are going to be all over the board, and all that's going to take is one loser to give it all back. And then suddenly you're going to feel as if you can't do this, you're going to be frustrated, and you're going to want to quit. Professional traders, they don't trade like this. So what you need to do is you need to internally accept the risk before you take the trade. Because remember, you need to know where your stop out level is. You need to know where that risk is, and you just need to accept it. This is a business, and it needs to be consistent. And once it becomes consistent, suddenly you're going to start to notice that your emotions will start to flee you, because now you're following a process. You're not chasing the P&L anymore, because you know over a series of trades, you're going to be okay. This is why professional traders don't think in the terms of dollars, we think in terms of R. What's our R that we're risking versus the R that we're going to potentially make? For example, if I'm risking 50 R, what's the R that I'm hoping to gain on the other side? If I'm gaining 2 R, that means I'm gaining $100. We think in terms of R's. And trust me, once you shift to consistent risk, emotional volatility disappears and boring trading becomes exciting. The third sign is you begin to zoom out. Instead of judging yourself day to day, you evaluate performance week to week, month to month, and over a large sample size. Daily results are too noisy. We'll be losing days, there will be mistakes, all this stuff is completely normal. What matters is that your system is profitable over hundreds and thousands of trades that you've taken over a long course of time. Not whether today was green or red. Profitable traders stay emotionally neutral. Whether it's a good day or a red day, they're going to follow that exact plan the next day. They don't revenge trade. They don't over leverage once they get some winners. They trust their system to the T. The fourth sign is that you value quality over quantity. You stop trying to catch every move. You stop chasing B-level setups. You wait patiently for your trade, and once it becomes available, like a sniper, you just attack it with everything that you have. Me personally, I ignore 99% of what the market has to offer and only go after the 1%, the A-plus setups that I know give me the edge that I need to be successful. Everything else may look good, but I know that over a long series of trades, the A-plus setups are the ones that I want to take only. This is the powerful mindset to know whether or not you're on the right track. Instead of looking for reasons to get into the trade, how many times are you looking for reasons to not take the trade? If you can't find a reason to disqualify the setup, that is when you act. And then the final side, the one that I know you've been waiting patiently on. And here it is. You stop searching for new strategies. You stop watching strategy videos. You stop chasing indicators. You stop system hopping because you know that you already have an edge. And from that point on, your focus shifts to execution, risk management, and emotional control. Most profitable traders that I know, they don't watch other traders. They're not out there listening to what they're doing, what they're saying, and trying to capture the exact trades that they're doing. They're not in all these live day trading rooms. They know what their edge is, and they're not gonna let someone else deviate what they already know. Why would I wanna go out there and try to listen to someone else, follow what they're doing, when I already know that I have an edge in the market? All that I need to do is be consistent and trade it the way it was designed to be traded. Now, let me be clear here. There is nothing wrong with listening to other people who trade. As a matter of fact, I still do it to this day because I believe that there's nuggets that we can get from anybody. Everyone has some piece of knowledge that you may not have. What I'm saying here is that you just don't blindly follow what they're doing. Unless, of course, it's your edge and you're doing the same thing. No matter what strategy that someone throws out there, it could be a bull flag pattern. It could be a bear flag pattern. We are all going to trade it differently. It is what it is. Define what you do best, and you only trade that. You don't need a million different setups to be successful. You need one edge to make money in the market. Anything beyond that, fantastic. But one edge can set you financially free. One edge can help you achieve your goals and dreams. One edge is all that you need. Trading success rests on 3 pillars: a proven system, strong psychology, and confidence. Once those are aligned, consistency is gonna follow you and you're gonna be a profitable trader. If you're experiencing even one of these signs, congratulations to you. You are on the path to success as a consistently profitable trader. If you enjoy transparency, then I encourage you to check out some of my other videos where I'm just giving proper education on chart setups, market structure, and my 1000K challenge, which you can see here, where I'm turning $1,000 into $2,000 trading very small. And the idea here is to help new traders understand how to develop an edge and how to stay consistent with one pattern. If you got any value from this video, I would appreciate if you drop me a like, comment, subscribe, share it with other people that may be in need. And as always, I thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.